Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a snowman and a snow lady. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released new drawings like these. But put your hat, gloves and scarf on, because we're about to build our snow people. First we'll start with the snowman's eye. I have one there and one next to it. And we'll have the pupils looking across to the side at the snow woman. Give him a satsuma nose, an orange nose, and a smile made out of little stones. Okay, so we'll just put the bottom of the hat curving round his head, and we'll bring the head round, and the other part of his head round. Then we'll bring that up and over the top. Put a pom-pom on it. Make it stripy. Let's put some lines on the bottom of the hat here. And his scarf, bring that all the way down. Put some tassels on the end. Curve that round. And again, all the way underneath that bit of the scarf. Just finish it off there. And do the same on that side. Now let's put the snow lady's hand resting on his shoulder. And we'll bring the rest of his body down. We'll build it in two parts like you build a snowman. And bring that down to the floor. That sat in some snow, so the weight of the body's pushing down on the snow. Curve the other side, and again. Put his arm coming out, and then back in, and have the fingers just curving out as though it's resting on his hip. Have some fingers. Two little buttons. Let's give him a matching scarf, make this stripy too. Let's start on our snow lady. Bring her head round here. And again, bring the hat across. Curve it round, down the other side, and make this slightly taller. So bring it all the way to the top. We'll give her a furry, fake fur pom-pom on there. Bring that down. Curve the stripes there. Put her eyes in, looking back at our snowman. We'll give her a carrot for her nose, a little carrot. A bit pointy on the end. Again, some stones for a smile. Some sticks for eyelashes. We'll give her some other twigs for hair. Bring a body down all the way to the ground. Same on this side. Have the snowman's hand also reaching across there. And bring her body all the way down to the bottom there. Okay, now let's join up the arms so they're hugging each other. This one's slightly bent, this one coming straight across. Give the Snowlady lots more buttons coming down here. We'll copy this sort of arm we had before, so bent, resting against the hip. Put the fingers in. Now let's put a tree in the background here, covered in snow. So we'll build this in parts. Top part, then we'll put the same shape but slightly bigger underneath. It's as though they're drooping, covered in lots of fallen snow. And a third one just underneath that. And then join them up with a tree trunk. Embed it in the snow there. We'll put the horizon line in coming across. Just put it behind the snow people here. We'll just stop there and put another smaller tree. Use the same technique. Have it a bit smaller so it looks like it's in the distance. Put that third layer in. Join them up. And then finally we'll put another winter tree in the distance. Just finish off the horizon there. Now let's make this a snowy scene. We'll have lots of snowflakes falling. Have them falling in front of the snow people. We'll make them look different sizes so it looks like there's some in the foreground and background. Just cover this whole scene in snow. And there we have it. There is our snowy scene of two snow people giving each other a warm winter hug. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.